Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to Flavors of Ruby, where we make the most delicious meals, but in its simplest form. So, by popular request, I'm bringing you the recipe for my green seasoning mix. A very simple and under 10 minutes recipe. Come along with me as we do this together. For the ingredients, I have cilantro, I have parsley, I have hot green peppers, I also have anaheim peppers, some jalapeno, green bell peppers, long peppers, fresh rosemary, scallion, thyme, onion, garlic, ginger, allspice, cloves, aniseed, oil, and I nearly forgot my black peppercorn. So the next step was I went off camera and I gave all the green veggies and herbs a good wash, chopped all of them into pieces as you can see in the bowl. The next step was I went ahead and put them in my food processor and blended them. Just a heads up that if your blender blade is not sharp, I would recommend that you put all the dry spices together and blend them in maybe a coffee grinder or a blender suitable for dry spices. And after that, you can mix it with your green blended veggies. Also, I usually like mine in chunks, like not super smooth. I mean, this is a bit smoother than I usually would go for, but it works all the same. As you can see, the end results, I went ahead and put them in plastic containers, which I end up freezing. I got 4 full containers, and then as you can see, I fried one. I added oil to it, put it on fire to cook for some time until all the water was evaporated. So you can see that is the one that is more darker than the other 3. The other thing I did is to label one of the containers with all the ingredients I use. What happens is sometimes I take some of the ingredients out and I add new stuff, so it helps me keep track of the things I use for this particular batch. I went ahead and I paired the one that was cooked with some shrimp tempura, which is coated shrimp. It was really delicious. So it's a condiment. You can use it to eat your rice, your wache, your yam and fried yam, your fried fish or grilled fish. You can use it, yes, you can use it also as a seasoning for your fish, whether cooked or uncooked. It's really good. So I hope you try the simple yet easy recipe which adds so much flavor. Mind you, each and every one of these peppers has their own unique flavor, so when you put them together you get something amazing. Well, I hope you get to try this, and until I see you in my next video, please like my video, comment, share, and have a wonderful day. Bye.